Welcome to the unboxing video of EMX. The first step is to get the bike out of the box and keep the box where you can find it easily. The material in the bike contains two boxes. The first box contains charger, pedals, rear light, bill, front light, quick release and Allen key. The next box contains battery with the key. Now next step is to mount the handle. For that first we have to remove the packaging. Now gently remove the screw with the Allen key number 3. Now fix the horizontal handlebar between the uniform area of the display as shown. Now tighten the 4 screw accordingly with Allen key. Now you have to plug in the throttle wire which is orange in color. Now remove the screw accordingly with Allen key and it is a plug-in system. For this you need tool set and Allen key. The light also have plug-in and plug-out system. Now we have to mount the tire. For mounting the tire, disc should be at the right hand side facing the cycle. The fork axle must be aligned with the axle of a wheel. For fixing the tire, you need quick release. Rotate the screw in anti-clockwise direction. Align the axis of the handle in required position and fix it with Allen key. Now mount the battery and check whether it is accurate at the port and then lock it with the key. Now adjust the height of the saddle according to your height. Now it's time for the pedal. The mark on the right pedal is R and the left pedal is L, so you can easily understand where to fix it. For fixing the pedal you need multi-wincher. Rotate the wincher on the clockwise direction. Now your double suspension EMX is ready to ride.